Yes, hello. My name is C. Yogesh, and we are doing Standard 11, chapter number 4, that is measure of dispersion. In this particular chapter, we had started with the topic of quartile deviation, and till this lecture, I'm recording third lecture for this chapter. In this lecture, in this chapter, we had started with quartile deviation when xi is given. Then we had completed when fi is given. Today my topic will be when classes and frequency is given. So just revising a little bit, quartile deviations formula was q3 minus q1 upon 2, and the formula for coefficient was q3 minus q1 upon q3 plus q1. Now when it comes to when xi is given, the formula is like you have to find first q1 then q3, and then you have to find the quartile deviation in its coefficient. We had done sums when fixi are given. So when fixi is given, uh, the sum is a bit easy. Okay, because you have to find the CFI and you have to search for the corresponding frequency where observation is lying. Now coming to the classes part. Okay, let us start with the third sum of 4.2. Exercise 4.2, sum number 3. Classes 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250. Then frequency 25, 40, 80, 30, 20. Now how to solve this sum? See, in quartile deviation, what I told you, that very first thing we will be finding is Q1, Q3. Okay. So to find Q1, the formula will be value of. Now when you are having classes in the question, your formula will not be 1 into n plus 1. It will be only 1 into n upon 4000. Okay, it will not be 1 into n plus 1. So you have to mark that particular thing. Okay. Now your q1 is value of 1 into n. Now what is your n? N is the total of frequency. So you have to do the total of frequency. Now what is total of frequency? It's 25 plus 40 plus 80 plus 30 plus 25. So the total is 200. Now it's 200 upon fourth observation. So your Q1 is value of 50th observation. Okay, so your Q1 is value of 50th observation. Now your CFI is 25, 65. See, we have to find the CFI to find that where this value of 50th observation lies. Okay, 145, 175 and 200. So your value of 50th observation lies here in this class. Now this class is 50 to 100. The main question is what is the answer? Answer is 50, answer is 100. Now if answer is between 50 and 100, then what digit is between 50 and 100? So to find the exact answer, you need to write the formula. Q1 is equal to, there is one more extended formula. Okay. See, Q1 is between, this one thing is clear. Now Q1 is between the class 50 to 100. So this thing is now crystal clear that you will get Q1 between this class. Now to find Q1, you have the extended formula. What is this formula, sir? L plus n by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. Now you very well know this formula. L stands for lower boundary. N by 4 is the n by 4 CFI means cumulative frequency for previous class. Fi frequency. Fi stands for frequency of the same class, and C stands for the class name. So if someone tells to solve the sum, L stands for lower boundary. N by 4 is 200 by 4 minus CFI is cumulative frequency of the previous class. Frequency is the cumulative frequency of the same class, and class length stands for 50. Okay. So see, basically L stands for lower boundary. CFI is cumulative frequency of the previous class, and frequency is the same class. Now this whole thing is in bracket like this. Okay, you have to solve everything and then you have to add it to the. Okay, the sum should be solved in such a manner. Now it's 200 by 4. It's 50 minus 25 upon 40 into 50. Now Q1 is equal to 50 plus 15 into 50 upon 40. So your Q1 will be 15 into 50 divided by 18.75. 68.70. Now this is your Q1. The same way I have to find Q3 also. To find quartile deviation, I want both the things. I want Q1 also and I want Q3 also. So this is Q1. Now Q3 is value of 3 into n upon fourth observation. Q3 is value of 3 into 200 upon 4. Q3 is value of 600 upon 4. Its value of 150th. Now where I have to find this 150th observation? Okay, let us change the color. Now, where this 150th observation lies, so Q3 is between. Now you will get 150th observation in this class, that is 150 to 200. So my formula is Q3 is equal to L plus N by Cn by 4 minus Cfi upon Fi. Q3 is equal to L, is 150 plus 3n by 4. What is this 3n by 4? It is also 150 minus. Now what is CFI? As I told you that it is about the previous class, your CFI will be 145 and your FI will be 30. So CFI is 145 and FI will be 30. Now my Q3 is equal to 150 plus 150 minus 40 is 5. 5 into 50 upon 30. So this Q3 is equal to 150 plus 250 upon 30. So it's 150 plus. What is this 250 upon 30? 8.33. So this is basically 158. Okay. So what is answer with us? Q1 is 68.75. Q3 is 158. Now you are asked to find quartile deviation. What is formula for quartile deviation? It's Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Yes, it's Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. So my quartile deviation is 158.33 minus 68.75 upon 2. Okay, so it's 158.33 minus 68.75 upon 2, which is 42.79. So my answer is 44.79, but we had made a very small mistake somewhere. Okay, here 50 minus 25. Now if you calculate 50 minus 25, you will get the answer as 25. Okay, we had written by mistake 15. Now there will be a minor change. The answer is 25 into 50 upon 40. 31.25. 81. Now this 81.25 will be here 81. So it's 158.33 minus 81.25 upon 2. So the answer is 38.50. Now this is your correct answer. Okay. You have to find a coefficient also. Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. So this is 158.33 0.33 minus 81.25 upon 158.33 plus 81. Now what is 158.33 minus 81.2? It is 77.08 upon 158.33 plus 81, 239.5. Now the 77.08 upon 239.58 is 0.3. Zero point 0.50. This is my answer. You can see here our answer is 38.54 and 0. Let us do one more sum from the classes section. Let us start illustration number 7. So let us start the illustration number 7. Using the following distribution of income of 1000 person of a city, calculate the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation of income of the persons. Income in 1000 rupees, less than 50, less than 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110, 110 to 130, 150, and above 1. So let us write the question. Less than 50 to 100. Sorry, it was 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110, 1102, to 150, and above 150. Frequency. Now, what is frequency? It's 50, 100, 140, 300, 130, 125, and 51. So, total is 1000. We have to find cumulative frequency also. So, let us find C. So now my CFI will be 54, 54, 154 plus 140 is 294, 594, 324, 949, and 1000. So this is my CFI. The procedure is same. First of all, we will find Q1, then Q3, then QD, and then coefficient. Okay, so everything is same. Let us come to Q1. Now, what is Q1? It's value of 1 into n upon fourth observation. So Q1 is value of 1000 upon fourth observation. So basically my Q1 is value of 250th observation. Now where this 250 will come? 250 will come in this class, that is 70 to 90. So my Q1 will be value of Q1 will be L plus N by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. So basically my Q1 is L, that is 70 plus N by 4. N by 4 is 1000 by 4, that is 250 minus CFI 154 upon Fi into C. What is C? C is class length, that is 20. Now let us solve Q1. So my Q1 is 70 plus 250 minus 154, that is 96 into 20 upon 150. So my basically Q1 will be 70 plus 96 into 20 divided by 150. 13.70. Q1 will be 83.70. So this is my Q1. Now I will finding the Q3. So what is Q3? Its value of 3 into N upon fourth observation. So this is value of 3 into 1000 upon fourth observation. So its value of 3000 by fourth observation. Value of 750th observation. Now where the 750 will fall? Okay. Now see the 750 will be under this class. So if you summarize everything here, you will get lower boundary as 110, CFI as 594, FI as 230, class length as 20. So this is the summary which we are taking for Q3. Yes. So this is my now my formula for Q3 is L plus 3n by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. So my Q3 is, what is L? That is 110 plus 3n by 4, 750 by 4. 3000 by 4, it's 750. Minus, what is CFI? It's 594. Upon, what is frequency? It's 230. And your class length is 20. Okay, we had written data from the table given. So my Q3 is 750 minus 594, that is 156. So my Q3 is 110 plus 156 into 20 upon my Q3 is 110 plus now 156 into 20 is 3120 upon 230. So it's 3120 upon 230. So it's 13.5. So my Q3 is 123.50. Okay, so these are my answers for Q1 and Q3. Okay, so now what is the data? Now see, this everything is in thousand rupees. This Q1 is also in thousand rupees. Now my Q1 is 83.71 and Q3 will be 123. My quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Now what is Q3? 123.57 minus Q1 upon 2. So this is 123.57 minus 83.71, that is 39.86 upon 2. 19.93. This coefficient will be Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. What is this Q3 minus Q1? Is 123.57 minus 83.71 upon 123.57 plus 83.71. Now what is 123.57 minus 83.71? 39.86 upon 123.57 plus 83.71 is 207.28. So 39.86 upon 207.28 is 0.19. This 19.983 is in thousand rupees. Okay. Yes, so we had completed illustration number 7. You can see the answer. The quartile deviation is 19.93,000 rupees. The coefficient is 0.9. So basically, we had completed the topic of quartile deviation. So that's it for today. Thank you.